Alrighty. Well, it looks like it is 7 o'clock, so let's get started with our 21 Rookies and Stars Football 5 Longevity Box Break, Random Team Break number 1. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Steve in the top spot and Linda in the bottom spot. So we will cut and paste that against our alphabetical team list. And then I will cut and paste it over to the right and sort it by everybody's names. And we'll see who has which teams before we tear into all of our boxes and see what we get. Which should be a lot. Alrighty, so Anthony's got the Rams and the Texans. Bernardo's got the Bears. Ben has the Saints and the Steelers. Brad has the Broncos and the Packers. Brandon has the Giants. Brian has the Titans. Hector's got the Jaguars, the Jets, and the Panthers. John's got the Bengals, the Bills, the Chargers, the Raiders, and the Seahawks. Kyle's got the Cardinals, the Chiefs, the Colts, the Ravens, and the Vikings. Lawrence has the Falcons. Linda has the Browns and the Washington football team. Lori has the Buccaneers, the Cowboys, and the Lions. Richard has the Patriots. Sandy has the Dolphins. Stephanie has the Eagles, and Steve has the 49ers. All right, so now that we have been through our list, let's start opening some boxes. So you can see our boxes. We've got 4 more back here. Here's number 5. So we'll just go through these one by one. I think each box has 6 packs. There are 10 cards per pack. Each box has an autograph card and a memorabilia card. I think I'm just going to kind of tear the side off just so I'm not monkeying the packs around too much. All right, pack number 1. Just going to kind of thumb through the veteran base, which is at the beginning of every pack, till we get to the back end where all the good stuff is. Speaking of, a little Crusades Joe Montana for the 49ers. It's got kind of that cracked ice finish to it. Then we have a action-packed insert of Aaron Donald for the Rams. Not sure why they chose to use the action-pack theme for a normally stocked card, but that's another story. Then we have Rookie Rush, Trevor Lawrence for the Jaguars. And then we have a Carlos Boogie Basham rookie card for the Bills. Pack number 2. And there's our memorabilia card. And it is year 1 jersey card of Tutu Atwell for the Rams. Nice red foil there. I wonder if that is a parallel or just the standard version. Not serial numbered. Nice hit nonetheless for the Rams. Then we have a draft class insert of Jamar Chase for the Bengals. And action-packed insert of Darius Leonard for the Colts. And then we have a Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie for the Panthers. Pack number 3. Oh, this might be our autograph. And it is. Patrick Jones II, rookie autograph for the Vikings. And that is serial number 215 out of 249. Then we have a draft class insert of Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. And then a standing ovation insert of Dalvin Cook for the Vikings. And then a Dez Fitzpatrick rookie for the Titans. Next pack. Something shiny in there. And then we have a Crusade Prism, Najee Harris for the Steelers. Well, those look sharp. We got Montana in the first pack. Then our next card is a draft class Jamin Davis for the Washington football team. Then we have a action-packed insert of Tremaine Edmonds for the Bills. And then a rookie card of Andre Cisco for the Jaguars. Oop, Davis Mills rookie on the back. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, how about that? Little airborne insert of Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. That's got the nice laser prism pattern in the background. Then a standing ovation insert of Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. And a touchdown club insert of Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. And then our last card in the pack, of course, is our Davis Mills rookie for the Texans. Last pack in box number 1. I feel like we're doing pretty good so far. And got a, whoa, how about that? A little longevity parallel of Lamar Jackson for the Ravens, and that's serial numbered 36 out of 80. How about that? Nice card for the Ravens spot. Then we have a rookie rush insert of Kadarius Toney for the Giants. And an action-packed insert of Isaiah Simmons for the Cardinals. And a Jamin Davis rookie card for the Washington football team. All right, so that was box 1. Some nice stuff in there. On to box number 2. Pack number 1. I feel like we got our memorabilia card in the top pack. Feels very thick. And it is, whoa, how about that? Freshman orientation jersey autograph of Kenneth Gainwell for the Eagles. Trying to get that red foil to show up on top of the card. It's a little chippy at the top there. How about that? Little Kenneth Gainwell autograph jersey card, serial numbered 74 out of 99. Nice hit for the Eagle spot there. And then next we have standing ovation, Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Then we have a action-packed insert of Jeremy Chinn for the Panthers. And then our last card is Terrace Marshall Jr. I think we've already pulled his rookie in the first box, and we have another one for the Panthers. Next pack. And we have a Barry Sanders Crusade Prism Parallel for the Lions. We have a Rookie Rush insert of Kellen Mond for the Vikings. And then we have a draft class insert of Kadarius Toney for the Giants. And then our last card in the pack is a Alim McNeil rookie for the Lions. Another memorabilia card in here. So that was our autograph card, not our autograph and memorabilia card in that first pack. And our memorabilia card is Rondale Moore, Year 1 jersey card for the Cardinals. And then next we have an action-packed insert of Jordan Poyer for the Bills. And then a standing ovation insert of Derrick Henry for the Titans. And our last card in the pack is a Pat Freiermuth rookie for the Steelers. Then we have a airborne insert of Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. And then a touchdown club insert of Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Then our next card is Javonte Williams Rookie Rush for the Broncos. And then our last card in the pack is an Amari Rogers rookie for the Packers. Then we have a star-studded insert of Mac Jones for the Patriots. And then a action-packed insert of DeForest Buckner for the Colts. And then a draft class insert of Eric Stokes for the Packers. And our last card in the pack is a Darren Hall rookie for the Falcons. Last pack in box 2. And we have a parallel of Ryan Fitzpatrick, and that is serial numbered 45 of 99 for the Washington football team. And then we have a standing ovation insert of Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. Yeah, that was a nice Mac Jones, Richard. Very nice. And then we have an action-packed insert of Danielle Hunter for the Vikings. And then we have a Devonta Smith rookie for the Eagles. All right, on to box number 3. Pack number 1. Ooh, how about that? A little Trey Sermon rookie autograph for the 49ers, and that's serial numbered 137 of 149. Very nice hit for the 49ers spot. There's the serial number. And then our next card is a rookie rush insert of Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. And then we have an action-packed insert of Zach Cunningham for the Texans. And then our last card in the pack is an Elijah Moore rookie for the Jets. Next pack. And then we have a star-studded insert of Justin Fields for the Bears. And those look fantastic. And then we have a draft class insert of Trey Lance for the 49ers. Then we have a standing ovation insert of Josh Allen for the Bills. And then our last card in the pack is a Odaf Owen rookie for the Ravens. And we have a NFL Authentic Brandon Ayuk jersey for the 49ers. So the 49ers got both hits in this box, the Sermon Auto and the Ayuk rookie, or the Ayuk jersey. Nice card there. Then we have an action-packed insert of Patrick Queen for the Ravens. And then a Rookie Rush Kyle Trask insert. And then a Nico Collins rookie for the Texans. Next pack. We have a Crusade insert of Devontae Adams for the Packers. And a Danielle Hunter action-packed insert for the Vikings. I think we saw that in our last box, if I'm not mistaken. And then a Rookie Rush Justin Fields for the Bears. And our last card in the pack is a Jay Tuffle rookie for the Jaguars. We have a Kyle Pitts Crusade insert for the Falcons. Then a draft class Devonta Smith for the Eagles. And then an action-packed insert of Myles Garrett for the Browns. And our last card is a Dalen Hayes rookie for the Ravens. Last pack in box number 3. Ooh, how about this? So we have a purple Airborne Carson Wentz for the Colts. See if this is numbered on the back by chance, and it is 22 of 35. Nice card for the Colts there. And then next, we have a Rookie Rush parallel, red foil parallel of Rashad Bateman for the Ravens, serial numbered 66 of 80. Quite a pack for the insert cards. That is the red foil version. And then next we have a standing ovation insert of Baker Mayfield for the Browns. And then next a touchdown club of Alvin Kamara for the Saints. And then our last card in the box is a Chaz Surratt rookie for the Vikings. Alrighty. Well, that concludes box number 3. Oops. Whoa. On to box Number 4. Pack number 1. And, we have a Stellar Rookies insert of Mac Jones for the Patriots. Very nice. And then we have a draft class insert of Justin Fields for the Bears. And then a standing ovation, Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Hey, Kyle, how are you doing? And then we have an Anthony Schwartz rookie for the Browns. And we have a star-studded insert of Travis Etienne Jr. for the Jaguars. And then a action-packed insert of Jeremy Chinn for the Panthers. And a Rookie Rush insert of Kellen Mond for the Vikings. And a Noah Gray rookie for the Chiefs. And another Ryan Fitzpatrick parallel. This one is serial numbered 8 of 99 for the Washington football team. The first one was the gold version. This is the silver version. And then next we have a Kadarius Toney draft class insert for the Giants. And a Jordan Poyer action-packed for the Bills. I think that is also the second time we've pulled that card. And then we have an Elijah Molden rookie for the Titans. Ooh, look at that little Justin Fields rookie on the back. Looks like we've got points card coming up. We do, I'm going to set this down. I'm going to use this base card to cover the code. 400 points. So we'll random that at the end of the break to everybody that had spots. And I will set that over there. All right. So then we have a Derrick Henry standing ovation for the Titans. Aaron Rodgers touchdown club for the Packers. And then, of course, our rookie card is Justin Fields for the Bears. Yeah, if you get him there, Richard, then you'll be all set. All righty. Then we have a Airborne Kyle Trask insert for the Buccaneers. Then we have a Javonte Williams rookie rush insert for the Broncos. And then a DeForest Buckner action-packed insert for the Colts. And last card in the pack is a Javon Holland rookie for the Dolphins. Last pack in box number 4. And we've got our memorabilia card. The points card counted for the autograph, of course. We've got our memorabilia card in this last pack. And it is of De'Ami Brown, Star Search jersey for the Washington football team. Like the design of those. Those are nice. So then we have a Eric Stokes draft class insert for the Packers. And a Travis Kelce standing ovation card for the Chiefs. And then our last card in the box is a Tutu Atwell rookie card for the Rams. Alrighty. Here is our last box. Then we have a star-studded Tom Brady for the Buccaneers. Then a touchdown club, Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. And a Kadarius Toney rookie rush for the Giants. And our last card in the pack is a Javonte Williams rookie for the Broncos. And we have a star-studded A.J. Brown insert for the Titans. And then a action-packed Isaiah Simmons insert for the Cardinals. And a Rashad Bateman draft class for the Ravens. And our last card in the pack is a Greg Rousseau rookie for the Bills. Ooh, how about that? We have a purple star-studded insert of Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. And that is serial numbered 11 of 35. Ooh, nice card for the Packers spot. Very nice. And then right after that, we have a Dwayne Eskridge longevity parallel rookie, serial numbered 27 of 80 for the Seahawks. Then we have a standing ovation Dalvin Cook for the Vikings. An Aaron Donald action-packed insert for the Rams. And then we have a Josh Palmer rookie for the Chargers. Looks like our memorabilia card is in this pack. And it is, whoa, how about that? Little freshman orientation Pat Fryermuth jersey autograph. And that is serial numbered 24 of 99. 24 of 99. How about that? Nice little hit for the Steelers spot. Very nice. And then next we have a standing ovation Joe Burrow for the Bengals. And then we have a Fred Warner action-packed insert for the 49ers. And then our last card in the pack is a Amir Smith-Marset rookie card for the Vikings. Then we have a Crusade Patrick Mahomes insert for the Chiefs. And then a Trey Sermon rookie rush for the 49ers. Then a Jamin Davis draft class insert for the Washington football team. And a Ronnie Perkins rookie for the Patriots. Last pack. Looks like we have our regular memorabilia hit in this pack. And it is NFL Authentic Laviska Shenault Jr. jersey for the Jaguars. And then we have a Tremaine Edmonds action-packed insert for the Bills. And then we have a Justin Jefferson standing ovation insert for the Vikings. And our last card is a Levi rookie for the Lions. Well, I have to say that was pretty good 5 boxes. Felt like we got a lot of stuff. Of course, that last box was nice with the Rodgers and the Fryermuth jersey auto. Now, I'm going to do set up the random real quick for our 400-point Panini points card. So give me just a second to get that set, and then we will run that. We'll use our original list that we used to begin with. Run that 5 times, and whoever's at the top will get the 400 points. Alrighty, so there is our random. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And it goes to Richard. How about that? Congrats on that, Richard. Got yourself 400 Panini points. Not too shabby. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 21 Rookies and Stars 5 Longevity Box Random Team Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us for the break in the live stream this evening. And we'll be back in a couple of minutes with our 21 Chronicles Baseball 2 Hobby Box Random Team Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.